The 2022 Bugatti Chiron Supersport represents the glorious crescendo of the internal combustion engine era, a hypercar engineered not just for speed, but for the seamless melding of astronomical performance with surprising usability. It's a machine that occupies the space between a grand tourer and a world-beating speed missile, offering a driving experience that is as unforgettable as its multi-million-dollar price tag. At the heart of the beast, a 16-cylinder marvel. At the core of the Supersport lies a monstrous 8.0-liter quad-turbocharged W16 engine. For this iteration, Bugatti's engineers have extracted even more power, bringing the total to an astonishing 1,578 horsepower, 1,600 PS, and 1,180 pounds-ft of torque. This represents a significant jump over the standard Chiron and is achieved through modifications to the turbochargers, oil pump, and valvetrain. The result is an engine with a higher redline of 7,100 revolutions per minute and a torque curve that remains accessible. From a low 2,000 revolutions per minute all the way to 7,000 revolutions per minute, providing relentless acceleration. This immense power is channeled through a 7-speed, dual-clutch automatic transmission and a permanent all-wheel drive system. The initial press of the accelerator is intentionally stiff, a safeguard against inadvertently unleashing the car's full might. However, push past that initial resistance, and the Supersport catapults forward with a force that is both exhilarating and disorienting, reaching 62 miles per hour, 100 kilometers per hour in a mere 2.4 seconds, and 200 kilometers per hour, 124 miles per hour, in just 5.8 seconds. Aerodynamics in motion. Form follows performance. The Supersport is a clear example of Bugatti's form follows performance design philosophy. The most noticeable change is the extended long-tail rear, which adds approximately 10 inches, 25 centimeters to the car's length. This extension, combined with a redesigned and enlarged rear diffuser, is crucial for maintaining aerodynamic stability and reducing drag at extreme speeds. Other aerodynamic enhancements include side air curtains that optimize airflow around the vehicle and distinctive 9-hole vents above the front fenders, a nod to the iconic EB110 Supersport. These elements work in concert to generate significant downforce, keeping the car planted and stable even as it approaches its electronically limited top speed of 273 miles per hour, 440 kilometers per hour. A dual nature, grand tourer, and hypercar. Despite its earth-shattering performance capabilities, the Chiron Supersport reveals a surprisingly docile side in normal driving conditions. First drive reviews often highlight its dual nature, capable of cruising comfortably on long journeys and then transforming into a ferociously fast machine at a moment's notice. The suspension, while firm, avoids being harsh, and the car feels remarkably composed on various road surfaces. Inside, the cabin is a masterpiece of craftsmanship, eschewing overwhelming high-tech screens for exquisitely crafted materials and a driver-focused layout. The interior is surprisingly spacious, and getting in and out is easier than in many other supercars. While not overflowing with the latest tech gadgets, it offers a level of luxury and comfort that makes it a viable grand tourer. The driving experience. Unforgettable power behind the wheel. The Supersport delivers an experience that is nothing short of joyous. The sheer force of acceleration is described as an unforgettable punch, a sensation that feels alive and viscerally connected to the mechanical workings of the massive engine. Even with its considerable weight of around 4,400 pounds, the car is surprisingly agile and responsive. The various driving modes, ebb standard, handling, autobahn, and top speed allow the driver to tailor the car's characteristics to the situation. However, even in its standard setting, The Supersport's capabilities are far beyond what can be legally explored on public roads. A few seconds of full throttle are enough to reach extra-legal speeds, a testament to the car's incredible power. Reserves. In an era of encroaching electrification, the 2022 Bugatti Chiron Supersport stands as a powerful and defiant statement. It is a celebration of mechanical engineering at its most extreme. A car that pushes the boundaries of what is possible with an internal combustion engine, all while offering a surprising degree of comfort and control. It is, without a doubt, a hypercar that will be remembered long after the roar of its W16 engine fades into the quiet hum of the future.